What is DNA and what are its functions and benefits? DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is the genetic material that carries the instructions for the development and function of all living organisms. It is a double-stranded molecule that is composed of nucleotides, which contain a sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. The specific sequence of these bases determines the genetic information of an organism. The main function of DNA is to store and transmit genetic information. This information is used to direct the synthesis of proteins, which carry out most of the functions in cells. DNA also plays a role in the reproduction of cells and the passing of genetic information from parents to offspring. The benefits of DNA research include the development of new medical treatments, the creation of genetically modified crops, and the ability to track and identify individuals through DNA testing. Additionally, understanding the structure and function of DNA has led to a deeper understanding of evolution and the relationships between different species. The relationship between DNA and forensics is that DNA analysis is a key tool used in forensic science to identify individuals and link them to crime scenes. DNA profiling, also known as DNA typing or DNA fingerprinting, is the process of determining an individual's unique DNA profile, which can then be used to match it to a sample found at a crime scene. Forensic scientists use a technique called polymerase chain reaction, PCR, to amplify small amounts of DNA found at a crime scene. They then analyze specific regions of the DNA that vary greatly among individuals, called short tandem repeats, STRs. These regions are compared to a reference sample, such as a blood or saliva sample, from a suspect or a known individual. If the DNA profiles match, it can provide strong evidence linking the individual to the crime scene.